Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing a common issue faced by Instagram users: Instagram story not uploading. If you've been experiencing this frustrating problem, don't worry, we've got you covered. In this full guide, we will walk you through the steps to fix Instagram story not uploading. Step 1. Start by checking your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable and strong internet connection before attempting to upload your story. Step 2. Sometimes the use of GIFs can cause issues with uploading. Try removing any GIFs and see if that helps. Step 3. Make sure you have the latest version of the Instagram app installed. Step 4. Try restarting your device. Sometimes, a simple restart can fix temporary issues that are preventing your story from uploading. Step 5. Clear the app cache on your device. Step 6. Ensure that you have enough storage available on your device to accommodate the story you're trying to upload. Step 7. Log out of your Instagram account and then log back in. Step 8. If you're using a VPN or proxy, try disabling it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the Instagram story not uploading issue you've been facing. We hope this guide has been helpful to you. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.